Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I indulge the distinguished member for Ugunja, being your leader, to make a comment which he did, and we've taken it in the stride. And I've given him direction, and you can see how distinguished he is in respect of what I've said. I want to urge you members that we have called the next order which we had left before the ruling, and the member for Lagdera, if he's on the floor, he can continue with the debate. If he's not, we give the floor to the next member. Go on, member.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Member for Lagdera, if you want to sit your position, we can give to somebody else.
Proceed. Right now. Thank you.
Order, honorable members, order. Order, honorable members. Order. Honorable members, order. Order, honorable members. The member for Lagdera, you will forfeit your position if you don't want to speak. Order, honorable members. Order, honorable members. Order. Order, honorable members. Yes. Yes. Order, honorable members. Order, honorable members. Order, honorable members. It's Wanjala who grabbed the mess. Order, honorable members. Order, honorable members. Order, honorable members. Order, honorable members. Order. Give me for Tuesday. Honorable members, honorable members, this House will stand adjourned until Tuesday. Order. The House will be adjourned until Tuesday, the 11th of October, 2022 at 2:30 p.m. Order.